Okay, here's my well. Look at this. I went down here the other day and I need to clean it out, but I've got water right there, but I need to muck out a little bit of the mud that's down in there, because once I get to good groundwater, then it'll flourish. Right now it's just plugged up with too much silt. It hasn't been mucked out in probably 60, 80 years. I don't even know, maybe 50, 60 years. Last time that thing was running was probably maybe in the 70s. They might have been running that windmill. Got all this cleaned up right through here. This is the cottonwood cabin. Graded all of this out. Went through all here. Got all the trees cleaned up. All the weeds. There was railroad ties, metal. I mean, you name it, there was a shit ton of it in here. Everywhere. Honestly, you can't believe the amount of stuff that was in here. It's been a lot of work. I don't know if you remember this old building that's sitting right here. This one right here was I think it was like an old chicken coop or something that sat over there on the other side of that building. I moved it over here. That's the outhouse. This will be my taco shop. So it'll be called Tacos and Caca is the name of my new taco shop here. Tacos and then Caca. I've had a few tacos in Northtown that tacos, then straight Caca. That's why I'm keeping that like that. This right here is my Dodge garage. And I got this all kind of cleaned out. I don't know if you remember, there was an old snowmobile parked here. And then right here was a old forge and some really neat shit. I got this old bed that I found, which I want to put inside of here because I'm going to Airbnb that corner so you can stay in the Dodge garage when you come. The roof does leak. It's not going to be the comforts of what you think, like at the Holiday Inn. This is living in the desert like the miners did back in the old days. So if you come stay here, you're coming for the experience, not comfort. Because you're going to be sleeping on this old springy bed that's probably from 1900. And who knows how many babies have been made on there. So I'm sure the springs are wore out. Then my windmill right here, I'm getting ready to get this done. I'm trying to get some windmills rebuilt now that I could put up here. They're going to be the aero motor windmills. And I want to get this all working, get the water pumping, clean this all out. That way you can come stay here too. I think it'd be really cool. You can stay at this little spot. But I'm going to light it all up and just make it look bitchin'. It's so spooky and scary looking. I've always loved that thing. It looks like it's haunted. It probably is. But I'm gonna have porcelain signs up there. Might put an old car up on the roof. Clean it all up so you can stay in it. I think it'll be awesome. But all this has been cleaned up right through here. I mean, you couldn't even see through there, if you remember right. You couldn't even see in there. But all of this is really starting to come around and clean up. And I'm hoping in the next, maybe in the next month and a half, my garage will be almost done. I've got my engineering that is almost done with my building. So my building and my store, the engineering should be done hopefully in this next week. So we can get some permits pulled and start getting some footings put down and get me a building up because I'm ready to get my shop out here. So right over in this area will be where my 5,000 square foot shop is, where that old shitty trailer house is. That will be the fab shop. So when you come to the school, we're gonna weld. You guys can stay in the little miner shacks out here and stay right here. We'll have a good time. So make sure you guys stay tuned and we'll keep you up to date on the buildings that are coming up. A lot of these I haven't been in yet, so I still need to go through them. And we're gonna do a YouTube on each one of them. Like I said, I've been spending so much time just cleaning and making it look better around here so I can get in here with equipment and move around. So we'll keep you updated. So we'll see you on the next one.